Jada, where are we?
We're at a beach.
What's the sign say?
No gill net.
You were gonna ask me what?
Daddy, do you have a gill net?
I don't have a gill net. Am I safe to come on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm following you. We are at Kiholo Bay, going for a little hike. Jada loves car rides and going for the hikes. Hey Jada?
Nope.
What would you rather be doing?
Be swimming at the pool.
Oh, I thought we weren't swimming today. This cool sinkhole here. Jada, what is this place?
It's either sinkhole or a toilet place.
Come across these sinkholes. They're freshwater holes in the lava rock here just off the beach. Actually, they might be saltwater. What?
I found it.
Jada the Explorer found these incredible sinkholes full of salt water, but they're off the track a little bit.
Why are you coming when you're coming after? Stop.
We have spotted a turtle. We named him Speedy Gonzalez. What do you want to name the turtle?
Spot.
We're at Kiholo State Park on the Big Island of Hawaii. Just got to fly the drone for a bit, and I checked the rules and regulations of the no-fly zones on the Big Island. I'll link in the description for where you can fly the drone safely around here. I always check wherever I go. There's an airport just right over there, so that's a no-fly zone. A lot of the state parks and beaches you can't fly, so I just go off the beaten path a bit and then go up high enough and fly over it. That usually works out. But that's my drone tip for the day.